So why do potential clients pick me? This is a question that someone asked me recently. They started their virtual assistant career and they couldn't find their first client for the first few weeks. And so they asked me, how do you manage to find, why do potential clients pick you among about 50 virtual assistants that send their proposal? And I thought about it and I think, why not? Let's talk about that. Why do potential clients pick me? Because I am very confident that when I want to find a client, I just need to buy some connect on Upwork and send proposals. Within a week, I'm going to find the type of client that I am looking for. So let's explore why and how you can implement the same things so that it will be easy for you to get picked by client. Okay, the very first thing is I made millions of changes. I have been freelancing and virtual assistant for years, and so within those past years, I made millions of changes on all the aspects of virtual assistance and freelancing. I had thousands, millions of changes in my portfolio. I made a lot of changes in my proposal, the proposal I write. I made a lot of changes in every aspect of my virtual assistant career, and so that is why I am at the point where all the things I have are right. I have all the things right. And so this is the important thing. I have all the things right. Okay. When I send a proposal to potential client, the proposal is right. Okay. When they check out my portfolio, the portfolio is right. When they check out everything else, they are going to find it right. So this is one of the major reasons why I get picked by potential client. And so if you want to get picked also by client, what you need to do is keep making changes, keep making improvement, not just changes, keep making improvement. Every single day, try to improve something. Try to improve your portfolio, try to improve how you write proposal, try to improve your process of looking for client, try to improve how you communicate with potential client, try to improve something every single day. And by time you are going to have everything just right. Okay, the next thing that helped me get picked by client is I have enough sample project. Okay, I have created a lot of sample projects and I completed many projects for client. And for that reason, I have a lot of sample that I can show to potential client. This is what I can do for you. And most of the sample project that I have a lot of them. So when I send sample project, when I pick my best sample project and send to potential client, there is a very good chance they are going to feel, yes, I want this. And so this is also one of the key points. I have enough right and attractive sample project. So if you are just getting started, this is also something that you need to do. You need to have the right and attractive sample project. The type of sample project that if you show to potential client, they are going to feel that, yes, they need this. Okay, the next thing is when I am writing a proposal, I focus on conversation further rather than just getting the job. Let me give you an example. When I write and send proposal to potential client, at the end of the last paragraph of my proposal, I almost include an invitation to interview. I will always say something like, I am looking for the opportunity to meet you in an interview to learn more about the position, to learn more about the project, and how my skills and experience will be the right fit for your business. You see, I'm not asking them to just give me the job. I am asking them to do an interview. And so there is a higher chance of hearing a response from them compared to if I end the proposal with, I am the right fit for the project. So I am looking forward to getting started. So I am always inviting potential client to interview because you have a higher chance of getting them as a client when they respond to your initial message, that is your proposal. So your focus on your proposal should be to start a conversation with them, not to just get the job. Because there are many other freelancers, many other VAs sending their proposal to them. So it's hard for them to make a decision in one go. So inviting them, there is also one line I used to add in my proposal that helped me a lot. And that line is, however, that's when I was offering WordPress web design services. I say at the end of my proposal, however, I have some questions and details I need to discuss further. Please message me so as to start as soon as possible. And so you see, with this paragraph, with this line of paragraph, most of the times I hear a response with, what questions do you have? Something along these lines. The potential client are going to ask me what questions I have. So when you are sending your proposal to potential client, your main focus should be starting a conversation, not just getting the job with that first initial message. Okay, the next thing that helped me get picked by client is I have enough verifiable reviews and testimonials. Okay, I have a lot of written reviews on Fiverr, I have a lot of written reviews on Upwork, and I have a top rated badge on Upwork. So I have a verifiable reviews. I also have a few video testimonials, and I always include a link to my video testimonials in my proposal. So this is one of the important things also that helped me get picked by client. And when you are just getting started, I know you haven't completed any project, so you don't have any reviews, any testimonials that you can share to potential client. So what you should do is, you shall focus on getting reviews and testimonials. And the way to do this is, you can just find a volunteer opportunity. Try as much as possible. It will be a lot easier for you to find a volunteer opportunity and internship compared to finding a paid client. So try as much as possible to find an internship opportunity, to find a client that you can offer your services to them, specific services, and they provide a review for you. Preferably, if a client is going to give you a video review, a video testimonial, that is going to be the best. But if they can't give you a video testimonial, if you can't find a client that is going to give you a video testimonial, try to find even a written ones. Okay, have a list of reviews that you can share to potential client. The problem with a written review is it's harder to verify if it is not on a freelancing platform, and so that is why you need a verifiable reviews. And a verifiable review is a video testimonial, because anyone can write a text, but when it is a video, they talk about you in the video, they mention your name and what you did for them and how happy they are with what you did for them, then that review is verified. It's verified in a way that you didn't just write it yourself, somebody did give it to you. And so this is what you need to do. Try to find an internship opportunity, work in exchange of a video testimonial. So those are the 4 reasons that I believe helped me get picked by client. And if you find the video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.